everyone, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. I'm standing here in front of a rack that's been ripening. I've been harvesting some bananas, putting them in a bin to give to my chickens, and there's another one over there. It's hot, it's humid, my glasses are fogging up, but I'm testing out a new camera that actually should follow me around and keep me centered in the video. So I decided, hey, let me do a harvesting video. So right over here I have a bin, and these blue javas are ripening, so I'm just gonna harvest them. When you can twist them just a little bit and they peel right off, they're ready. So if I just do this, they're like perfect. For eating, but they're going to my chickens because I have plenty. And my chickens need to eat every day. So although I just gave them some chicken feed, I'm giving them some bananas too. And I'm giving them leaves. Okay, so that's all for this one. We're gonna go over to that one right now, and we're gonna go ahead and harvest some more. Okay, so same thing. I have some bananas. You can see they're real ripe. They're starting to fall off, but they're still good. I love blue java when they're a little bit on the soft side, so you can squeeze it. It's still firm, but it's squeezable. That's when it's at its best. So I've been harvesting these. I'm just going to take some more. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and harvested more. These are perfect. I could eat each and every one of these. But like I say, I need to feed my chickens each and every day. So when some yellow, and I got plenty in the house, I throw some nice ripe yellow ones in there. And they eat the banana and they eat the skin. And you all know I feed them the leaves. And as you can see here, this blue java rack is starting to ripen too. Not quite as soft, but perfect. So with that said, hey, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. I hope you enjoyed watching. Sometimes I let my bananas ripen on the plant. I harvest some fingers, and that's what I feed to my chickens. So if you like my video, give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to my channel, just ring that bell, and most importantly, come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. Just click on it. It will take you there. Sign up. It's free. Everything you want to know about bananas and banana plants, harvesting, cooking, freezing them, all that stuff. Plus, you get to ask questions. We give you help. You get to post photos of all your bananas and meet other people that enjoy bananas. Hope to see you there.